Garmin watches provide daily workout suggestions tailored to your current training load, focus, sleep data, recovery time, and recent workout history to help you improve your fitness performance and balance training intensity. These daily workout suggestions are only available for running and cycling workouts. You'll need to wear the watch for at least a week and accumulate at least 2 workout records to get suggestions. When you start a running or cycling activity, the watch will display the workout suggestion first. For example, the watch might suggest a sprint workout. In the middle is a chart showing the changes in workout intensity, which means running at a pace of 2 minutes 50 seconds per kilometer for 10 seconds, repeated 10 times, with a total workout time of 54 minutes. This includes a 15-minute warm-up, 3-minute recovery intervals between sprints, and a 10-minute cool-down. Press the Start button to do workouts, view the steps, or dismiss the suggestion to do the free workout. Here's another example. The watch suggests a threshold workout. So, what does this diagram show? Which means running at a pace of 4 minutes 35 seconds per kilometer for 18 minutes, with 10 minutes of warm-up and cool-down, totaling 38 minutes. Let's look at this diagram. What workout suggestion does the watch provide? If you know the answer, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.